right, let's find our three measures of center, mean, median, mode. You don't have to do this first, but if you're going to find the median, you got to put them in order and find the middle. So there's 15 numbers. Pretty much let's write a number down for each one of those dots that we have. So we had 2 dots at the 1, so we're going to write 2 ones. We had 4 dots above the 2, so we're going to write 4 twos, and so on. So that's where I'm getting these numbers from. Each one of these dots represents one of you that filled out the survey. This is some person that had 2 pets. This is some person that had 4 or plus pets. So because we have 15, we have an odd amount of numbers. So that gives us one number that is dead center in the middle, and that is this second 3. So 3 is going to be our median. And it's important that it's this second 3. So make sure you mark that on your paper. Next, mode, I think, is an easy one. Whatever one you had the most dots for, or whatever number you see the most. So our mode here is 4, or 4 plus. So that's pretty simple. Finally, let's do our mean. Our mean requires us to add each one of these numbers. So that's why I think finding the median first is going to make finding the mean easier. It's easier to add these numbers if they are not dots, if they are actual numbers. Oops. So add them all together, and you get 44, and then divide by 15 because there's 15 numbers or values in our data set. So 44 divided by 15 ends up giving us 2.93 repeating. And in the directions, I told you to round to the nearest tenth. So we can pretty much hack off all of these repeating 3s and make our mean 2.9. So that's what we're going to all agree upon to put down on our paper is 2.9. So if you didn't get 2.9, try adding those numbers again and dividing by 15. You should get 44 as your total. Divide by 15, you get 2.9.